guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some time I've not uploaded any new video, and it's because of one thing or the other that happened. I did not upload for the past few weeks, but I promise you guys that it will change completely. And I also want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your love and support. It means so much to me. This channel just passed 1,000 subscribers, and that makes me so excited. I am happy. Thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, we're going to be talking about, or we're going to review the all-new Tecno Camon X. I'm going to give you my thoughts on the device and what Tecno have done, because Tecno has been this company that has been so consistent when it comes to bringing out new smartphone that can cater for all sorts of individuals in Africa as a whole. So without further ado, let's jump into it.
This device is made entirely out of plastic, but you have to really look at it closely before you can tell it is made out of plastic. It is very conservative, and it feels nice to hold too. This device features a 6-inch display, a 1440 by 720 pixels, 18.9 aspect ratio with a very minimal bezel. The screen is among the best in its class. Playing games on this device and consuming media content is very enjoyable. At 6-inch with a very small screen to body ratio, browsing the web and media consumption is very pleasing. Taking a quick look at the specifications, it packs 20 megapixels clear selfie camera, a 16 megapixels rear camera, 2.0 GHz MediaTek octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, 3750 mAh battery, and Android 8.1 Oreo. The quad-core processor paired with a 3 GB of RAM makes the device feel snappy enough for day-to-day use. It is smooth, but not as smooth as a high-end smartphone. At this price point, it is very acceptable. Tecno has always been this brand that likes to bring features found on high-end smartphones to a mid-range smartphone. They did not disappoint here. Welcome to Face ID on your brand new budget smartphone. If you can now afford an iPhone 10, don't worry, Tecno has got you covered with the Camon X. The Face ID on the Camon X works most of the time, and at some point it fails to work. Don't worry, you still have your tested and trusted fingerprint scanner, which works all the time, and also which I will pick any day over Face ID on the Tecno Camon X. Moving on to the camera, the 16 megapixels rear camera performed very well. To my surprise, it performed better than some phone at the same price point. Here are some images taken with the rear camera, so you be the judge and tell me what you think about this device in the comment section below. The front facing camera, I really think selfie lovers will appreciate the 20 megapixels camera on the front side of the phone, because it takes good quality selfies as well as ability to shoot with bokeh effect on. The images are pleasing to look at, especially if it's taken under a good lighting condition. This is a video test using a rear camera on the Tecno Camon X. I tested the performance by running some benchmarks and playing some games on it, and kept its performance intact. There was no lag or crash during this test. And mind you, I didn't play heavy games that demand better CPU and plenty of RAM, and I wouldn't advise you to do so, because this device is centered on day-to-day basic use as a mid-ranger. The Camon X has a 3750 mAh battery, and I tell you what, a single charge on my basic use lasted for 2 days before I needed to charge it again. And recharging it was a breeze, because it took just 30 minutes to charge up to 80%, which blew me away on how fast it recharges. At 56,000 naira, I would highly recommend this device to anyone that wants a decent smartphone that packs plenty of features at a very affordable rate. Let me know what you think about this device in the comment section below. I'm planning on doing a comparison video, so let me know the device you'd like me to compare it with, or possibly some other video you would like me to make with this device. Leave a like on this video and share the video too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.